Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Shakira here, and I'm back with another video, but except this time we will be doing like a beauty maintenance vlog, but on a budget. So first things first, I am going to my hair appointment. I am getting a natural sew-in. I have not had a natural sew-in in years, but it's cooling down. Now's the time. I'm tired of wigs and closures and I'm tired of all of that. I'm tired of braids. So we're gonna go back to the natural sew-in and see how it treats us. But first, we gotta head to Starbucks, girl. You know we can't go to a hair appointment without no Starbucks. So let's head to Starbucks. Oh, but before we head to Starbucks, you thought I was gone? No. Before we head to Starbucks, don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and go ahead and subscribe, girl. All right, let's get to Starbucks. I got my Starbucks. So we finna head over to the appointment. I'm gonna have to put it in my GPS. I think it's like 30-45 minutes away. I never been to her, so yeah, I'm super excited. We'll see how this goes, and I'm just gonna jam out to my music and we'll catch you inside the store. Just like that, your girl got her hair done. I am loving my hair. This gonna be the new me. Like, I was gonna actually dye my hair last night, but I couldn't find any dye. But she had a couple pieces that she put in there, so it's still giving me technically the look that I was going for. But yes, absolutely love my hair. It is so cute. She done a very good job, very professional. Very professional. The salon is cute. It's in a nice area, and yeah, like, your girl is feeling herself. This is cute. This is me. This is grown woman. I've been natural a long time, working hard on my hair, getting it to grow, be healthy, and it's definitely paying off now. Only thing is, I gotta make sure I don't heat damage it with all that hair, but without the heat. But it's okay, I'm gonna tie it up at night. But yeah, it's cute. But all right, let me stop playing with my hair, touching my hair. So I'm gonna head when I get home. All right, y'all, so let's get into these nails. Okay, so I'm gonna do this Sally Hansen quick instant cuticle remover, and I'm just putting that on, and then you're gonna see I'm gonna take my little tool and I'm just gonna push my cuticles back. My cuticles was absolutely soft, and it was easy to remove, and it did not hurt. And then from here, we're just gonna get into the nails, and it's gonna be pretty much self-explanatory. Alright, so now that my cuticles are all nice and clean, I'm just going to file my nails, kind of get them rough. I'm not going to do too much, just file them down, trying to shape them up, but like I said, not too much. And just overall getting my nail rough for the glue to stick. Alright, now that our nails are all rough and buffed out, we're going to take some alcohol to go ahead and dry them out, so that way the glue can stick a whole lot better and you can preserve your nails a lot longer. Alright, so from here I'm just going to take my Glamnetic glue and the nails that I'm going to have for today. I'm just going to measure my nails to make sure that they fit, and then just size them up, rip them off, and go ahead and apply them. I will say, out of all the press-on nails that I have used, these are the best ones so far. They're very sturdy and hard, and they don't feel flimsy or like they're going to break. I highly recommend, and I will have them linked down below.
This life I cannot change. Deep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it and bang. For this life I cannot change. Deep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it and bang. Drop the top, play hide and seek. Jump inside. Jump straight to the lead. Take a sip, feel just how I breathe. On freeway, but no ain't nothing free. Been lost, been late. Been busting bills, but still ain't nothing changed. You in the mob, soon as you rock the chain. She caught the waves, just thumbing through my brain. Sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it and bang. For this life I cannot change. Deep off in the rain. Sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it and bang. All the ones on the chase, pounds on the metal.
Alright, now that our nails are all on, we're going to go ahead and buff out this little part that the flap was on, and just make sure that's nice and smooth. And then if you want to, you can shape, but for me the shape was already there, so for me there was no need to shape.
In the cut, in Medusa, lay low, yeah, it might be. Roll up, help me calm down when I'm moving high speed. If I send one, need to text back, cause you know what I need. Oh please, oh me, oh my. We've been moving for some time. Alright. Flexing, try to exercise. But it's like I cannot change. Hit it, deep off in the main. Sweet like candy cane.
Alright, so if you want, your nails can stay just like this, all nice and matte, but I decided to go in and add a clear top coat to it, and I feel like that just enhanced it even more to give us that salon finish. Okay, so let's do these DIY lash extensions. So I got the B&Q lash extensions with the Kiss Mascara and the tweezers. So I'm not gonna be able to talk and do this at the same time, so we're gonna speed through this and let's hope I don't mess up. So we're gonna try to get the hang of this first before we get to talking. All right, so let's get it. Okay, so he got both eyes done. I will say I got the hang of it a lot faster this time because I knocked down 2 minutes on this eye. And I will say they're not, I mean, they cute, okay? So we might need to go a little longer next time, but let's go ahead and put the sealant on. And then the same thing for the other side. And I'm just putting this right on where I put the lash extensions at. I'm gonna do a double coat just to make sure. Okay, and that is it. What you think? High maintenance, girly, on a budget. Super cute. So we'll see how long these last. Like I said, I didn't use much in the pack. This is just for both eyes. I didn't mess up one and have to get another one. So this is everything that I used. All right. Okay. Last but not least, on our high maintenance, on a budget, we're gonna get this skin together. So first off, I want to say I am a licensed esthetician, so everything that I'm doing, I know what I'm doing, and I have the products at home to be able to do it at home by myself. So first, I'm just going to start off with washing my face. And so I'm just taking whatever facial wash you want to use, and we're going to start off with just washing our face. Avoiding the lashes, honey, that we just done. We gonna rinse our face in cold water just because we're finna get ready to do a chemical peel and you don't want anything hot on your face. And this is a clean washcloth I'm using, just because, you know, we just done our lashes and we ain't trying to get them wet. So we're gonna use a washcloth. Okay, so after our face is washed, we're not gonna exfoliate because the chemical peel is the exfoliation, and that's kind of like double exfoliation I wanna do. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the chemical peel. So I got my cotton pad. You can, if you go to an esthetician or whatever, you can use alcohol or a toner to dry out the skin, but the main purpose is you want to dry out the skin. So I'm just gonna use my toner to dry out my skin. And we're just gonna put this where we're gonna do the chemical peel. And then you just want to wait until that dry. I'm gonna gatekeep with products, but I'm using the PCA hydrocodone free chemical peel, and I'm just gonna use cotton rounds to apply my chemical peel with. I'm probably I really don't need that much, so I'm probably gonna only go in with 2 layers. So my skin is dry, and we're finna move right into the chemical peel. So I'm just gonna speed through this because it's really nothing to teach you guys, but it's just watching. So let's play some music and let's get to this chemical peel.
Smelling like a bitch, smelling like a brother. Seeing this money, man, I'm seen, I know you falling. Drop a
off of the chemical peel. I haven't had one in a while, so it's definitely tingling. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in with my serums and creams. So this is all by PCA, by the way. So I got my rejuvenating serum. I have my CNE strength mask. And this is all to help with the dark spots and hyperpigmentation, keep my skin nice. And fun fact, you do not want to wear vitamin C out in the sun. So it's best to put on vitamin C at night. So I got my vitamin C. And then lastly, I'm just going to go in with some Rebalance moisturizer. And we're going to put this on our face. And just like that, you have nice glowy skin. So I'm gonna let this sit until tomorrow. So I won't wash my face until tomorrow around this time, and then yeah, I'm gonna give it a week and we'll be good to go. But that is the skin. This is our monthly maintenance on our skin to keep our skin nice and healthy and glowy, blemish free, dark spot free. So yeah, get into it. All right, you guys, so that completes my monthly maintenance, but on a budget. I do just want to say every month looks different for me. So what I did this month may not be what I do next month. But yeah, so I hope you guys know that you can still look good, feel good, but you don't have to spend all your coins, girl. You could do it on a budget. So, all right, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.